Would you like a coffee? What kind? Latte? Cappuccino? Espresso? Small or medium? For here or to go? Anything else? A croissant? A bottle of water? You step forward. You can smell the coffee. You hear cups moving. The barista is smiling, waiting. You understand the questions. But when it's time to speak, what do you say? Today, we're going to practice exactly this moment. Hello, and welcome to Royo English. I'm Ryan. This is Easy English Shadowing. Ordering coffee might seem like a small thing. It's just one drink, just one short conversation. But moments like this happen everywhere. At airports, near offices, inside hotels, in new cities, before work, after long days. And each time you order confidently, something changes. You feel more comfortable. You feel more independent. You feel more capable in English. But without practice, even simple questions feel fast. What size? For here, you're to go. Anything else? Your brain understands, but your mouth hesitates. That's why today we are practicing this situation step by step. First, you will listen to a short real-life story. Just listen. Then, we will break the conversation into clear, simple sentences. You will practice them slowly. You will repeat them. You will feel the rhythm of natural English. And finally, you will listen again at natural speed. This is how real speaking confidence is built. Not by memorizing long grammar rules, but by repeating simple, useful sentences in real situations. So, relax. Take a small breath and get ready to practice real-life English at a cafe. First, just listen. Yesterday afternoon, after a long meeting, I walked into a small cafe near my office. The place was warm and bright. I could smell fresh coffee in the air. People were talking quietly, and I could hear the sound of milk steaming. I stood in line and looked at the menu. There were so many options. For a second, I felt unsure. When it was my turn, I took a small breath and smiled. "Hi." The barista smiled back. I said, "Hi, I'd like a medium iced latte, please." She nodded and asked if it was for here or to go. "Can I get it to go, please?" I said. Then I looked at the counter and saw some fresh pastries. "I'd also like a chocolate croissant, please." Before she finished the order, I asked, "Do you bake these here?" She smiled and said yes, they bake them every morning. "That's great," I said. Then I asked one more question. "What time do you close today?" She told me they close at 8 p.m. "Perfect, thank you," I said. She told me the total, and I replied, "I'll pay by card." After I paid, she asked for my name. "My name is Ryan," I said. A few minutes later, I heard my name. I picked up my coffee and croissant. As I walked out, I realized something. It was easier than I thought. Just simple sentences. And a little confidence. Now, let's practice the key sentences. Listen first. Then speak with me. "Hi, I'd like a medium iced latte, please." "Hi, I'd like a medium iced latte, please." "Can I get it to go, please?" Can I get it to go, please? I'd also like a chocolate croissant, please. I'd also like a chocolate croissant, please. Could I add vanilla syrup, please? Could I add vanilla syrup, please? Do you bake these here? Do you bake these here? What time do you close today? What time do you close today? That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card. My name is Ryan. My name is Ryan. Now let's listen to the full story again at natural speed. Yesterday afternoon, after a long meeting, I walked into a small cafe near my office. The place felt warm and relaxed, and I could smell fresh coffee in the air. People were talking quietly, and I could hear the sound of milk steaming behind the counter. I stood in line and looked at the menu for a moment. There were many choices, and I felt slightly unsure. But when it was my turn, I took a small breath and smiled. "Hi, I'd like a medium iced latte, please." The barista smiled and asked if it was for here or to go. "Can I get it to go, please?" I said. Then I noticed the pastries on the counter. They looked fresh and warm. "I'd also like a chocolate croissant, please." Before she finished the order, I asked, "Do you bake these here?" She told me they bake them every morning, and I nodded. "That's great," I said. Then I asked, "What time do you close today?" She told me they close at 8 p.m. "Perfect, thank you," I replied. She told me the total, and I said, "I'll pay by card." After I paid, she asked for my name. "My name is Ryan," I said. A few minutes later, I heard my name being called. I picked up my coffee and croissant and walked outside. As I left the cafe, I realized something important. It wasn't difficult. It was just simple sentences, spoken clearly, and a little confidence. Before we finish, here are 2 practical tips. Number 1. Decide your order before it's your turn. Look at the menu. Choose your drink. Choose the size. Decide if it's for here or to go. When you already know what you want to say, you feel calmer. Number 2. Say your full order in one clear sentence. For example, "I'd like a medium iced latte to go, please." When you speak in one complete sentence, you sound confident and natural. Confidence in English is not about speaking fast. It's about being prepared and speaking clearly. Next time you go to a cafe, try using one full sentence. Say your order clearly. Take a small breath before you speak. You don't need perfect English, just clear English. Your turn. What do you usually order at a cafe? Write one full sentence in English in the comments. For example, "I usually order a medium cappuccino to go." In the next episode, we'll practice how to shop confidently at a supermarket in English. Simple sentences, real-life situations, step by step. See you in the next Easy English Shadowing episode. Goodbye.